One prototype I'm showing here is if you are using SharePoint 2007 and you want to make multiple views. So demonstration here, a particularly typical SharePoint site, and what we've got here is that I'm going to have 3 document libraries, North, East, and South. And the reason I'm doing this is it's going to be a fairly big site. I potentially could have over 5 million documents in each one of these document libraries, so I've got restrictions placed on me by SharePoint about the document library size. The thing is, though, that I want to give every user a combined view. I want to make this a very simple system where they get one view and they can see all their document libraries. Now, you would think, well, a view is only applied to one document library, so the users will have to have a view for North, East, South. And if you've got 2 views on each one, then that's 6 views. But actually, I have found a trick that you can do if you use document libraries. You can create document libraries that just serve as placeholders for views. Now let me explain that. In this example, I create 2 document libraries, one called All Open View and one called All Closed View. And then I can actually go to All Open View, and I'm creating a view based on that document library. So I've got this document library called All Closed View. Another one will be called All Open View. I edit the page on each one of those document libraries, and I can actually add other document libraries to this view, okay, which is really cool. I can even edit the document library itself from its own view, which is a clever trick to know, so that actually the document library becomes a placeholder for a view, and your document library is empty. And then once I have actually inserted document libraries on the view, as you can see here, I can actually set the view to each one. Now, one important thing to know about SharePoint is do the views on the document library before you insert them on a page, because if you update the views later on, they don't get inherited to the document libraries on the page. Messy thing in SharePoint, but any of you SharePoint developers out there will know what life is like with SharePoint sometimes. Also play around with the Chrome and the appearance to see, you may actually want to get rid of upload bars. I mean, I'm doing a system right now where we just want the users to edit documents that they get from the CMS system. So we're giving them a single view. There's no upload, there's no edit. All they can do is they just go on the page and they edit the documents. So this little trick has enabled me to kind of meet some requirements that at first I said were impossible out of the box. So once again, my name is Robert Hooker, and I'm wishing you good luck and a good day.